Hello friends, today we are making lentil patties. I am using canned lentils. Start by removing the water and rinsing the lentils. Now add flour. Here, I am using my homemade sprouted buckwheat flour. You can watch my video on how to make it. Now blend to create a homogeneous mixture. I am leaving some lentil bits for texture. Next, add some fresh herbs. I am using cilantro and parsley. Drizzle the pan with olive oil. Add the patties and leave for 3-4 minutes until it becomes crispy. Then, turn around and wait a few more minutes. The texture is amazing, filling and dense, packed with flavors and nutrients. I hope you enjoyed watching. Give it a try. Thank you.